I'm not sure how to pronounce Cole's last name, but I think it rhymes with Gunga Din, a character by author Rudyard Kipling.
Do you like Kipling?
I don't know. I've never kippled before. Cole has a lot of great videos. Yesterday he wrote about Pydantic, which recently has become able to do some of the things you and I have been doing for months with Pocket Grok. Pydantic is cool, but its web search capabilities are all subscription-based, and I'm frugal.
You're a cheap bastard.
Yeah, that's what frugal means.
Oh.
So, I've written an add-on for Pydantic that allows you to incorporate Google searches into your agents. I'm short on time this morning, so I'm afraid this is the only demo I can give you, but it seems to work just fine. If you have any problems with it, maybe your new Pydantic agent can help you fix it. My schedule's pretty full today.
Where are you going?
I've got a lot of Kipling to do.
AI Tips with Jay.